Seiko's newest release in 2024 comes in the form of a 60th anniversary Presage in the fashionable Style 60 range. Limited to 5,000 pieces worldwide and presented in this plush and textured cream boxing, this is the SRPK61J. If you aren't aware, the Presage Style 60s range is based on design inspiration from a now classic timepiece that was released back in 1964, known as the Crown Chronograph. That model was the very first chronograph watch for Seiko, and of course captured the essence of 60s styling. 2024 marks the 60th anniversary of this release, and this modern take on the original model pays perfect homage to its origin. As you can see, the 2024 version is an almost one-to-one remake, with the only big difference being that this one is not a chronograph. So no push button up the top and no chronograph function, unfortunately. The dial, however, is almost exactly the same, with the only difference in the 2024 model being a date window at 4:30, which is very easy to miss with its lack of border or cyclops. Overall, this new release is about as close to the original as you could hope for. The dial color is this slight off-white with a very fine sunburst texture, which honestly does not show up on camera at all. You just got to see this one in person. This sunburst texture is more noticeable in the silver colored ring, which sits below the hour markers. The dial, in my opinion, is one of Seiko's best. It harbors this subtle classiness that I think most watch enthusiasts could appreciate. I do enjoy this sharp handset, which includes a healthy amount of LumiBright to help you read the time in low light situations. Those small rectangles inside of the hour markers are also filled with lume. These hands are powered by the automatic 4R35 movement, which allows for a 41-hour power reserve, hand winding, and of course an exhibition case back to marvel at the mechanics of this movement. Talking dimensions now, and this particular model is a little smaller than the other Style 60s and even smaller than the regular Presage models. With a diameter of 39.5mm and a lug-to-lug of 46.2mm, this watch fits almost perfectly on my 16.5cm wrist. Thickness is a mere 12mm, so overall this is a medium-sized piece that will fit well on a majority of wrist sizes out there. The build quality is also very good. Everything is stainless steel, with the entire watch weighing 131 grams. The links in the bracelet feel nice and smooth, and the one-touch three-fold clasp seems to be a redesign of what Seiko usually put on these types of watches. It feels nice and solid and has a good click to it. Okay, overall, the Seiko Presage SRPK61J is a fantastic remake of a Seiko classic. This one would go well with anything from a cruisy casual Sunday look all the way up to a suit and tie. A seriously good looking watch that is versatile and also reliable. Pick this one up if you're a fan of the 60s vintage look, but don't want to pay the 60s vintage price tag. Check it out online at watchdepot.com.au, but be quick as this is in very limited numbers. Remember, only 5,000 worldwide. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review of Seiko's newest release. Make sure to subscribe for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.